Hi, I'm Roxy, and this is your weekly Growth Pulse, powered by GrowthRocks. Get ready for the latest growth marketing trends, hacks, and updates, all in one place. Let's go. We begin today's bulletin with an in-depth look at the evolution of creative collaboration tools as explored in GrowthRocks' latest article. The move from traditional mood boards to modern digital platforms like Miro, Figma, Boardmix, Adobe Firefly Boards, and Google Mixboard is transforming how creative, marketing, and product teams brainstorm and execute innovative campaigns, with new AI-driven features enabling smarter ideation, organization, and reference generation. Now let's go to Spotify, which is expanding its parent-managed accounts for children under 13 to several more countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. The feature allows parents greater control over their children's listening experience on Spotify Premium Family plans, offering tailored recommendations, content restrictions, and more nuanced parental controls amid ongoing calls for better online child safety. In other headlines, Facebook is reviving its job listings feature in the United States after a 3-year absence. Targeted at entry-level trade and service jobs, this update is positioned to help connect younger job seekers with local opportunities and marks a strategic pivot for Facebook to broaden its platform beyond just social networking. Let's shift our attention to the artificial intelligence startup Flint, which has secured $5 million in seed funding with backing from Sheryl Sandberg's venture fund. Flint's platform aims to enable marketers and companies to build and update websites autonomously, performing live optimization, running their own tests, and customizing pages in response to visitor behavior and real-time market trends. Meanwhile, in another development, Google is rolling out new features across Search and Discover, introducing collapsible ads and innovative artificial intelligence-powered trending previews for mobile users in the United States, South Korea, and India. Users can now hide sponsored results, and sports enthusiasts will soon see a What's New feed for real-time updates, all while publishers adjust to evolving user habits and increased reliance on artificial intelligence summaries. Next, we take a look at YouTube's launch of curated mental health assistance content for teenagers. Collaborating with trusted mental health organizations, YouTube will now display dedicated video shelves with expert-driven guidance and resources for topics like depression, anxiety, and eating disorders, aiming to offer accessible, credible help to millions of young users in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and more. Here's what else is happening. Meta has released a set of practical tips to help advertisers boost the effectiveness of their holiday campaigns. The insights focus on maximizing value during the Q5 season, emphasizing advanced targeting, dynamic creative options, and the use of artificial intelligence-powered Advantage Plus campaigns, encouraging brands to leverage unique holiday market dynamics across global regions. And finally, we turn to TikTok, which is sharing practical guidance for marketers seeking to harness artificial intelligence in their advertising strategies. Working with Luna Solar Group, TikTok highlights that artificial intelligence should augment rather than replace human input, and provides actionable steps for integrating artificial intelligence into creative workflows and targeting, along with recently published case studies to support campaign optimization efforts. That's a wrap for this week's Growth Pulse. I'm Roxy. Stay bold, stay curious, and keep growing with GrowthRocks. See you next time.